What's up, guys? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, and this is for all my Tesla people out there. I'm pretty sure you heard, or not heard, but seen the tweets of Elon Musk making one of the biggest mistakes he could do to his customers and future customers. And so I'm glad at this point I'm glad I got my car, because what I'm hearing now is that it's official that he removed the cable kit, the charging kit from the car. So when you go spend $50,000 to $60,000 on your new Tesla, you don't get a mobility charger, which means, like, say if you live in a house that you don't want to spend $1,000 to install a level 2 charger, at least you have this as an option, you know. So now you're leaving those people in limbo right there, and I suggest that you backtrack, because you do have a big user base. I'm pretty sure bigger YouTubers than I, way beyond I, will have more influence on your decision, because I know this video won't blow up or anything, but for the smaller channels out there, hear me out. This decision is very bad. I don't think it benefits anyone. If you think it's because of cost effectiveness and stuff, translate that to the consumers. Don't, remove something and then it doesn't affect the price at all. It makes no sense. So you're spending $56,000 on a car. Now it doesn't come with a mobility kit. You have other competitors out there, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, GM's Chevy Bolt and EUV. All those brands out there that are way cheaper, and they come with the mobility kits. The brands overseas that are way cheaper than you continue to come with mobility kits, and I don't see any other CEOs saying they're going to remove it. So, like I said, I know you like to be different sometimes, but in this case, it's not a good move. This is my little rant. Hopefully, by tomorrow or next week, you'll see a tweet saying, "You know what, guys? I'm not going to remove it. You guys have spoken." Because according to him, statistically, a lot of people don't use the mobility charger. And like somebody tweeted under him saying, I don't remember getting a survey, an email or anything of that sort for you to pull these statistics from. So I don't know if he's just pulling it out of his you-know-what. Hey, but at the end of the day, it's a bad move, and I know a lot of Tesla people are behind me and behind this. Elon, you gotta fall back on that. So that's my quick little video, guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. Comment down below what you think. If you're a Tesla owner or a future Tesla owner, what do you think of this decision? Thanks for watching my video, guys. Peace out.